we're going to continue with Excel. I want you to make a table like this. So here we have what we call Form 4 exam. So we have Form 4 exam, we have students, then we have Meli, we have Ali, we have James, we have Kamau, we have Elizabeth, Tony, Dan, Vicky, Brian, and Abdi. We have subjects: maths, chem, biology, physics, English. Then we're going to find sum, average, pass or fail. We're going to find rank. We're going to have maximum, minimum, remarks. I have done already the sum, but I want to delete it so that I can show you how we're going to do it. Now, when you're going to make this entry, first, you are going to make this. So you can be able to see that this cell is larger. All I have done what we call matching. So how can you do matching? I want to guide you how I have made this table. First, we have here Form 4 exam. Now, let I show you using this sheet 2 here. Now, you can select all these, let us say three rows up to M. Then what you can do, go to Home, and then you have Merge and the Center. So you merge and the center. So you have done matching. So let I delete this. Merge and the center. Then here you're going to type Form 4, Form 4 exam like this. From here, just you can change the font. You can put it, maybe the font is maroon, so we have maroon color. You can font type, let's say elephant, the one we have done with the other sheet. Then I can increase the font just like this. Finally, I can bold, I can underline, and I can do just all formatting here. Now next you can able to see here, this one is just in diagonal like. So we have these ones is in diagonal. So okay, math. So how can you do it? The same thing that I show you. So you come here, you write students. Now you see this word students does not fit. And if you want this word to fit, you are going to do three things. Now, before you do that, so we have students, and then we have subjects, maths, like this. So we're going to make it diagonal. So you can select the whole of it here, this row which is here, and then you go to home, and then you come to this command which is here. So you can change it like this. So you see it has changed. Or you can say we want to use this. You can see the difference. So you can say we want it to vertical like these ones. Also you can say I want to rotate text down like these ones. Also you can say you can select N from here, but the best I have done it's angle counter clockwise, so like this. Now from here you can do your formatting. Some cases when you're going to write some of the words of the students, they say Elizabeth does not fit the cell. So what you can do, you can increase here, you can increase the cell. So you can put your cursor here, you left click, then you drag like this. So you see now this name Elizabeth is just fitting in this cell. Also, if the one does not fit, what you can do, you can select, let us say we're going to use this. So you can select, you can give the range of this column, and then you come here on this command where we have alignment, and then you shrink to fit. So you shrink to fit. What is going to happen? It's going to reduce the font size, but the name is going to fit. That's the second way you can do it. Next, what you're going to do, if the name does not fit, you can come to alignment just here. So we have alignment, and then you wrap wrap text. So you can click wrap text, and then you say okay. So what will happen? The letters which will not fit, they are going to go to the next line, just like this. But the paste which we are going to use, we're going to increase the cell size like this. So I think you have done, I think you have seen how I have made this table like this. Also, I have done just center alignments. So you see, this is just centered alignments, all of them, just they are centered alignment. So if you want to make the center alignment, later I put here 55 for instance, and then if I want to put center alignment, I select all of them, then I come here alignment, then I say just centered. So it's going to be like this. So you learn to form, or you learn to make the table like mine. Now we want to do sum. I want to show you a few methods of finding sum. The easiest one, you can select this range where what you want to find sum, then including this column where we have sum. So I'm going to select the whole of it from here, including where I want my sum to appear. Then I'm going to key in alter plus equal sign. Then I'm going to have sum like this by using alter and equal sign. I have said you have to select this range, all of it, including the column where I want to find sum. That's the first method. If I want to see the formula, I have used it here. You can be able to see this is the formula. But equally, we can type this formula so that we can get sum. But if you want to do the quickest way, that's how we're going to find sum. I want to delete this so that I show you another method. Let I delete like this. Then I want to find sum. I want to write equal sign. I go to home, then I see where I have what we call auto sum. Then I click this auto sum like this. Then I say enter. Then equally I'm going to have sum, then autofill. Then I autofill like this. Then I'm going to have just sum. That is the second method. Let I delete. Now the third method, and this is the paste which we are going to use now and again. So we key in equal sign, then we write the word sum, and then we open brackets, and then we give the range from maths to English here, and then we close brackets. And then we say enter. So this is the sum of Meli, and then we autofill. So we learn to autofill to find the sum of the list of the students. This is the third method. I want to show you the fourth method we can use to find sum. But I have said this third method is the recommended, and that is the method we're going to use. Let I delete this. I want to find again the sum of Meli here. We key in equal sign like this. Then we open brackets. Let us do it again. We key in equal sign. We open brackets. So we go to maths. We say plus. We go to chemistry. We say plus. We go to biology. We say plus. We go to physics. We say plus. And then finally English. We close brackets, then enter. So we have the sum of Meli here, 340. Then we autofill. Then we autofill like this. Then we have the sum of all the students. So you can able to see the formula here. But I've said the best formula we are going to use is this one. Let I delete this again. I want to delete this. I want to delete this one. I want to use the third method, which I have told you. So I key in equal sign. I write the word sum. I open brackets. I give the range from maths to English. I close brackets. Then I say enter. Then I autofill the formula like this. Then we have the sum of all the students. So those are the four methods we can use to find sum in MS Excel. Next time we're going to see how to find average. Then we continue with pass, fail, rank, maximum, minimum, and remark. Thank you and welcome to SYD.